Okay, so first thing is what is Jira? So if you see that Jira, where is placed? So in the planning phase, it's placed. So when you do the SDLC cycle and when you plan for it, it's been used. After the planning, which we have is coding. After coding, we have scanning the code, analyzing the code. After that scanning, we have a build, and then after the build, which we have unity testing. After the unity testing, we have packaging the software, and after the packaging the software, we have mm, archiving the software, archive the software, and then after that mm, we have deployment to QA. And after that we have acceptance testing, and after that we have CC. So your SDLC cycle starts from now. Okay, so you are the after the platform training which you have learned how to get a VM on AWS, how to get a VM on VirtualBox, how to get a VM in Vagrant, how to run the containers and all. After that you have a starting point here. So this is where I'm going to teach you Jira, and then here I'll teach you Python, here I'll teach you SonarQube, here I'll teach you Maven and Gradle, here I'll teach you JUnit, here Packer, here Artifactory, here Ansible, here JMeter Selenium, and here Jaco. So where is standing? Are you comfortable now, all of you?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah, so this is your starting of HDLC cycle planning. So it's a planning tool actually. It's a planning tool. Now, why you want to use it for? So managing bugs, defects, you know, managing features. You want to use it for managing features. Task management, you want to use it. So for that, you need some software. Project management also is being used for it. Agile, I think, do you know Agile process, right? All of you, Agile development practices.
Yes.
So yeah, so it's been used for Agile also. If you know Scrum, Kanban, and all, it can be used actually. Scrum and Kanban and all. So yeah, basically this is used for these other regions primarily. Now it's developed in Java. This tool is developed in Java. So if you want to run this product, you have to install Java. Okay, and you have hosted version. You can install Jira, and you can use it in cloud also. So now slowly we are migrating to the cloud. Okay, for the period of time. So yeah, as part of the sessions, I'll show you that cloud version of Jira. Now, second thing is from the Atlassian. There's one company which is called Atlassian. They develop this particular tool. So Atlassian develop Jira also, Bamboo also, Confluence also, many other tools which we have. So for that we are using Jira. Okay, so this is a little bit of introduction of Jira. Now, how do we get started? So here, come to the Jira trial, just type trial stuff, online cloud-based trial, and here we are trying to store, get it. So Confluence is the next topic. First we'll learn Jira, which is for using project and issue tracking. So next, no credit required. So you can start a new account actually, no problem. I have accounts already. Now, how do you use it? That is something which I need to know. So login option with the email ID is not there. So atlassian.com login. So this is the login. I will log in. I have account actually. This is the account. See here. So I have account. and here you see these are the products which we have. So here you can select which product you want. Jira software, Jira work management, Confluence, Bitbucket. Bitbucket is all from Atlassian and administration. So cloud you have everything at one place. Now I want to start the Jira and a new org I want to create it because these are my old org, right? These are the old org. So how do we get started? So how do we get started? For that, I want to back. So many I have created. Click on this, and here this is something which I don't want actually because this is my older one. So what I want, I should go back and here or cloud administration. So I should create a new account. Just like you'll be prompted, right? Because I have existing account. I'm not been prompted. So here, these are the organizations I'm having. So you have to create your own organizations. So uh, administrations. I think they have stopped creating organizations. So these are the older one I created. I'm looking for something where I can create new organizations. Unfortunately, I'm not able to locate quickly. Uh, it's okay. So let's work with the existing organizations only. So I'll go for see which organizations is so different sessions I used to create a different organization. I think that issue that functionality has been revoked. So yeah, I think they have revoked. No problem. So so I'm okay with let me try last time. No, they have no. Okay, so I'm going to use one of the organization which is DevOps School. This is the one. So when you start creating an account, you will have to create organizations. Okay. So this is the organizations I'm going to create. I'm going to use it and select. This organization means the DevOps School is like Infosys organization. That's the meaning of organizations. So now in organization, which are the software you have? So you have a Jira software and Confluence. So you have to subscribe for it. It's a free, and Jira Administrator, which is you can do here. It's also free, but this UI they have separated manage users and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to this is the URL for my organization which is created. I'm going to log into this. Now this is where once you install the Jira in locally also you will get something like this. Okay, so what do we do in this case now? So here this my organization. Look at this here, and you have to create a first thing. You have to create a project. So this is the one of the instance of Jira. Okay, so I had so many instance created because multiple demos. Earlier they were allowing it, but now they are not allowing. So it's okay. So this is the one. After this, what to do? So you have to create your project. So here, if you go and few projects are there, you can create a new project. Now you have to decide which you want to create a project type. And if you go for the cloud, you will find a lot of templates. These templates you won't find in the hosted version of it. So see, software development, these are the one. Service management, these are the one. Work management, here you have product management, marketing, human resources, finance, design. So many different types of project you can handle it. If you know service now, they are trying to convert it just like that. So software development, which one you go for it? So I'll first start with the bug tracking. So bug tracking means I want one project where we want to start the bug tracking. What is the project name? So bug, I'll just name it project bug track, something like that. PV shortcut, create a project. You can create a more projects actually. So here you have created, oh, there's one project here. You can go and create one Kanban, Scrum also. And Scrum, if you go for it's a team manager, company manager, team managed. So here project Scrum, okay, and then create a project. Like that, you will create a project. If you are an administrator, you will create a project and start working on it. So right now, let me start with the bug track. This is the projects, okay, and here you see all these issues which you have. All issues, my open issues, reported by me, open issues, done issues, viewed recently, resolved recently, and all stuff like that. So now this is your project. So what you want to do? So first thing you have to decide, you have to have a logical thinking here. Let's say my project is chat, or let's say DevOps code is my project. So in this you have to decide how many components you have. So you have to say, okay, there's a chat functionality, there's a mail functionality, there's a front end, there's a back end. So these are the things you have in product. So in Jira we call it a component. So here this is a components. You have to create a component. This is a initial setup. Only one time you have to do that, and you can assign the component head also. Right now, no one in this organization, so I'm the only one. So chat mal front end back end. Okay. So this is the component I created. After that, how many release you are planning to do for your project? So you decide. I'm creating some fake release, release 1.0 or v1.1, and this is the dates. You can select the starting date and ending date, whatever you want. One more, create version 1.2 and starting from 7th to next month, some 20 hours. So this is the version you can create. So here you have components of this product. Here you have a release of the product. Okay. And so on. Are you comfortable so far, all of you?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. So now here, what you need to do, I think you know very well, create a bugs. So you have to select which project, of course, this one. Whether it's a bug, improvement, task, new feature, it's a bug. Where is bug? It's selected already. And DevOpsSchool.com login is not working. That's a bug actually. This is someone is creating a ticket, is not working. So yes, you have to create a select that which component. So let's say front end. What is the details about it? This is the detail. Who is reporting automatically? Which versions of this product 1.2? What is the priority? Highest priority. Okay, label you want to give it is up to you. And how much it should be fixed? What is the operating environment you will give it? Attachment affected version 1.2, and due date it should be fixed by 30th and all. And do you want to assign to someone? Right now there's no user, so and create it. So now you will start working on it. So right now, where do we see the issues? Here. See, right now here you have issues, and I created issues. Here it is. So you have issues, start working on it here. So it is assigned to myself only, so I'm working on it. So your detailed description, you can convert into subtask also, link issues. You can attach to the Confluence page also, which I'll discuss next session. Confluence is a one another tool for from Atlassian, and many options are there to do. To what? It's in progress. It's in review. It's in done. Something like that. And you can chat here also. This is the I'm working update, status update and all. You can see the history, workload, Slack, you can connect to it.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.